Good evening, my lovelies. I'm not sure if any of you remember this one, had a split down the back. I've tried my best to repair it. It will never be used, obviously. It's going to be in my collection, as it's one of my first footprints. I believe it was the original screw as well, but lost through time. So now I will restore that at some stage or another. Right, couple of things to open. Not much today, thankfully, because it cost me a bloody fortune on eBay. To Ben's recommendation, I bit the bullet. I'm sure they started putting the prices up, mind you. And I got one of these gorgeous things. Mine's 1950. Bear with me. 1950 something or other. I think it's 58. So the 58 or 53. I can't see a date at the moment. Oh, here we are. 1958. Absolutely beautiful book. And they sent me a couple of extras as well. Schematics of something or other. Avrometer model 7. What that is, I don't know. Electrical. And I think this is the same ish, but a paper copy. Yeah, model 7 again. Oh no, model 40. So that's interesting. Absolutely beautiful. And it helped me, being a novice at this, I identify some of the tools you guys get, and I hope to get once the car boots start. Now, I urge you to go and watch the parodies that Ben and Jim have done. Hand Tool Restoration and Tool Addict. They've had a bit of banter between themselves, and it's absolutely hilarious. Only short and sweet ones, but they are funny as whatever. Ooh, there we go. Do you remember the days when they were £2.99 from Woolworths? They're not mold grips, they're just 10-inch grips. Ooh, shiny. And looking at the jaws, never been used. Beautiful. Oh, we'll put them away in a minute. Right. Oh, hello. Now, is that meant to be like that? The jaws look like they were purposely ground like that by whoever owned it. Can't 45. Can't see anything yet. Bear with me. Bear with me. It's made in the USA. How's your eyes? Any better than mine? Made in the USA. It looks like HEPBR. Her brand? Don't know. If any of you guys know. That's a beastie. yeah, it's her brand. Her brand. I can't see any other letters. Well, see as Jim outbid me on that bloody pipe wrench. Here's my first wall hanger. And obviously I will clean it up. Not polish it, it will be cleaned. Right, what else we got? Okay, different. And looking at the shape there, I would say that was a Stanley. I could be wrong. 990, but it's modern-ish. Record 10, but a wooden handled one. I haven't got a wooden handled one, and it looks like at some stage or another it was painted black. Nice. Another wooden. I love, well, I'm sure you know by now, love my wooden handled. It's a bit of damage, but don't know who, don't know what. If that's a 10-inch, I'm sure this is a 10-inch as well. But I can't see anything yet. But it does sort of work. Different. Like that, like the handle. What have we got here? Brown's Empire Spanner. Now, is that bicycle, motorcycle? Any of you guys know? At some stage or another it was like British racing green. Chrome alloy steel. Yay! Snail brand. Love me a bit of snail, but it's not. I don't see no snail. I do like the snail. Oh, hello. Well, look what I found, Ben. My first ever backhoe. Made in Sweden. UL, whatever that means. Backhoe, Sweden. That's modern, gotta be. But it's my first backhoe. Does that mean I'm in the club now? I won't go through all of these. As you can see there. Yes. Here he is. There's my mate. Snail. Made in England. Love it. Oh, here we are. It's different. Can you see that? Austin. Now, is that Austin 7? That era? Anyone know? Yeah, 1/2 inch and 7/16. Actually, I used to have a Austin Maxi. Oh, what's this one then? What's that? A something and SW. Oh, A, S and SW. Anyone know? Oh, another Austin. There you go. Another Austin. 1/2 inch and 7/16. So 2 come along. Uh, 0, 6, 10. Looks like an emblem, but I can't see it. Oh yeah. Tonner. I've never heard of Tonner. Come on, here we go, Tonner. Don't know anything about those at all. Spinny, made in German. Made in German? Made in Germany. Never heard of them either. Drapper, lots of Drapper. Oh, this is an unusual one. Now, is that the owner's stamp, or is that British Rail, or is that a motorcycle? Never seen one of those before. Yeah, these won't go in the Deoxy C. I've got to start catching up on what I've done. He's sweet. That's it really. Brittle. These are all modern. Don't know. Drapper. Drop Forge. Oh, here they are. Good look. What's that? Jidor. Oh, and a don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, that's better this side. And a King Dick. Both open-ended. Right, my lovelies. Next on the cards will be a restoration. As and what, I don't know. I've got yeah, I've got a lot that have been in the evaporust that need sorting out. Now this bad boy here, I've bought a new one, the actual original snail, so they say, but I don't think this is actually a snail wrench, but it'll look nice. Oh, not snail, what am I talking about? Got snail on the brain. Footprint. Oh yes, it is. It is a footprint. There we go. There's the foot, just there. So I've ordered a screw, but looking at this now, I think I've ordered the wrong one. I think I've ordered the 9. Oh, it is a 9. There we are. Cool. So it might be one of these cleaned up. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you very much for your company. Thank you for the offer of sending more stickers to me. I very much appreciate that. It won't take me long to fill this bloody wall up. Or board. Anyway, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now. And any information on what I've just shown you, please share below. Speak to you soon. Bye.